it's bathi umphatha cishe phone yeah amavius wakho mfaka baba ulungisa into zakho ngithi bathi favorite Chiefs
I'm favorite Chiefs and favorite ibhola sanibonani ma viewers ekhaya sibonge futhi Timeline Radio Sports ngiphethe uDemand la mntu
ba yeah siyancenga umgqibelo
yeah asiphethe no ghost lapha yana hayi asazi namhlanje usiphatheleni kodwa ngathi sibondiwe
hayi asibonge Ghost
yes siyaphila
siyaphila
hayi siyaphila
siyaphila man winning but thank you so much guys for joining us namhlanje so it's normal because in those yet vele so today is sokuma about in Nedbank Cup and it is when there was a round of 32 draw that was happening but then we also have the PSL teams and Kaizer Chiefs players transfer. There's a controversy where people they have a lot to say when it comes to Chiefs not buying
players,
you know I'm a players also. Another thing is Okumanga is Kaizer Chiefs fans versus the management. We saw the strike the last time, and also we have the AFCON updates and the Real Madrid saga about the coach, and also last one we have the Chicago Fire targeting our PSL players. So engathanda sikhulume ngakho okokuqala it's the Nedbank Cup, the draw, the 32 draw. How do you guys feel about the draw and do you think like there's a lot happening therefore before we get where's the music?
Yeah, all right. Yazi mina nje okokuqala ne I was thinking Nedbank should come ne style sokuthi ku last 32 a PSL team must not face another PSL team. Wonke ama PSL team mele badlale nalaba abe first division. Reason being ukhuthaza lama team lawa ya. Like I mean ayikho team engafuna ukudlala ne team enkulu kulama team we first division, yabo. So I think I last 32 nje bekumele iqale kanjalo. Kungabi ne team PSL edlala ne team PSL so that izoba interesting yana kuyabona, especially for bona ukuba motivator then nokuqala ama dreams wabo on the faster pace yabo. Either way ngibona ngakhona but overall I draw ngibona right mina. Can see ama fans of Kaizer Chiefs bayaphenikanyana ke Stellenbosch because sesibakhiphile ku Calling Black Label. So for me now I think it's a good draw because we are yet to see the best of Kaizer Chiefs. Angithi bathi baqale ngomlilo nyana wamaphepha leni waphela. So I think ichance yabe ukuvuselela umlilo le.
Okay. No. Yeah, I mean ngizothanda ukudiffer anyway, you know, iliki sezoqala then kuzomela siqala ukuphikisana. In terms of ukuthi ama PSL teams kumele ahlangane nalama team lawana, I don't think ukuthi it's something that should be a rule because besides Kaizer Chiefs eshawa ama team amancane, then that means ama team we PSL azonoka wonke lama team lawa majority of them kusalele eshaye Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs it fails to beat lama team lawa. So we also need at least ukuthi nabo bashayane wherever labashana khona because going like actually all the way at least uyazi ukuthi okay mangabe iHungry Lion iyodlala no what abona bo Power Light then sesiyazi ukuthi ku next round kuzoba khona one of the two, unlike ukuthi sithi sesibheka ukuthi 15 teams we PSL yiwo kuphela hambile or uyabona because I'm upset mostly awekho maningi but then it's only Kaizer Chiefs ehlala inokwa out. So ngibona ayikho into wrong and then ange Stellenbosch anyway Chiefs ne Stellenbosch asibajwayelena mos. So yeah.
Okay, so you don't feel like it's not fair when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs having a bigger team to face, unlike other big teams that we have in PSL are faceables. Is it
fair go Stellenbosch to face a bigger team? Is it fair? No, I don't think Menuguchi we have to say it's not fair because Kaizer Chiefs has played among small teams gule tournament and Baba Noka out. Okay, Babo.
Yeah.
before. So, and also, he Chiefs Stellenbosch is I think we Nedbank. I think it was quarterfinal, if I'm not mistaken, where Stellenbosch lost 3-1 or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's better for a team like Kaizer Chiefs to play with someone that you know, and then you can prepare better rather than playing with someone that you don't know. That's how I felt.
And the back kitchen malabafana la first division.
Yeah, prove the point.
But I also think maybe Kaizer Chiefs has a chance when it comes to Stelis because of it's already Stelis I send a stiff back lines. So as much as the King kind of who's the new Stellenbosch coach, the one from King Supersport, Gavin Hunt. Yes, I think Gavin Hunt is now the new coach of Stelis. Probably now, as much as he is a big coach or like the best coach for the team, but so chances are Kaizer Chiefs still has a chance to win when it comes to this.
Aye, that one it's not guaranteed. Foot more especially when it comes to a coach. Remember Uguchi Gavin Hunt won a prove point. Hence last season, was it last season? This season, we celebrated offside.
Oh yeah, this is
Wakijima Pume Stadium. Magabu ichimi yakildiwe. So for the point to prove, it's like I feel like Uguchi it's even fair enough because of now Guzobagwe strategy sisha phela Kaizer Chiefs ishaye Steve Barker left, right and center. So manje with the new coach maybe bazozana a new strategy but it's best because the team iyaziwa rather than ukuthi uplanele imaluti FET.
Okay, so guys, I saw something Izol. I think one captain here King it's Chakuma.
yeah.
Yes.
They are 7.
Yes. So usho something angimzwanga but I saw the comments ati Orlando Pirates is overrated. So what do you guys think about that? Because remember, because people, when Mabashara that clip, they tell Coach Ward Orlando Pirates is overrated. So do you think the smaller teams have a respect towards the first division, the PSL?
Hey.
No, I think they do, but also mina ngicabanga ukuthi best if iza kanjalo because of inikeza na motivation ukuthi bani babe motivated babe nalento le ukuthi already sesiba disrespectile, then we need to prove ourselves ukuthi lento besikhuluma iyona. At the end of the day, if iPirates yawina, those people got nothing to lose. Ukabo iPirates is a bigger team, so that thing it might intimidate them baye ngenhliziyo ukuthi ayazini asambe so prove point labafana basijwayela only to find ukuthi abafana babazele na something different yabo. So mind games man.
Yeah, now I also feel it's about mind games yabo. So to be honest man, yazi iPirates isefomini right, and we know chances are iPirates izowina yabo. Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona ke laba bathi iPirates idlisa squad kodwa ke akusi AFCON le iNedbank.
Ngizule nami lokho ukuthi iPirates iyehlisa South Africa but yeah.
Hayi.
But iPirates musibathi benga defend. Kathi nithini kwenzakalani? Kathi ubani beka defender ubani beka goal?
No, ibafana mfethu ayidliswa ngayiPirates.
No, iPirates ithi korile yona. Okay.
Okay guys, can you move into topic number 2? So let's talk about the PSL teams and Kaizer Chiefs players transfer. So there's this thing you're going to the PSL teams are trying to take Salama players to Kaizer Chiefs. That has been going around, and so I want you guys to elaborate on do you think like the PSL teams are like really avoiding to sell players to Kaizer Chiefs, or it's just that the Kaizer Chiefs are not interested in buying around the league?
Oh, yeah, as goes to this thing, it's one broad topic, but I can say which sometimes there are teams that they don't want to sell to Kaizer Chiefs. uthi uyabona ukuthi iplayer mhlambe malifuna iChiefs kuzobekwa a certain price tag and then mawuthi uyabheka laba abanye sebalithenga ngemali ethe ukuthi okay so ikhona le nto leyana but ke mina man in terms of like ukuthi kuthengwe ngibona iKaizer Chiefs isasane problem yona ama internal problems we still have abo Chiefs kuKaizer Chiefs abangakadlali aboshinga there are so many players ukuthi alaka wakadlali so ukuthi kambe futhi kuthiwe kuyothengwa amanye ama player ngiboni kuzoyenza la kumehluko like at such but yeah we do have that thing ukuthi uthola ukuthi player alithengiselwa iKaizer Chiefs but ilithengiselwa like amanye ama teams
yeah. Yes, for me, I think number one, EPSL is not the only league and my players at Kaizer Chiefs. Two, I've seen Chiefs iba interested ku player, then but now up until a team it no player lelo. Yabo. So I don't think it's a case of a team of no thanks the Chiefs. In management the Chiefs yona in a problem when it comes to ukuthenga player. Because right now ayathenga amanye ama team yabo yiba bangakathengi so angeke uze uthi abafuna ukuyithengisela then if abafuna ukuyithengisela yini alternative yabo
no but bungane yazi ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi ne one thing that I've seen mina ukuthi iChiefs is one marketing tool ne ufaka iplayer uthi Kaizer Chiefs yalifuna already selipopular automatically nje lelo player selipopular even if no Chiefs ingashonga ukuthi siyamfuna umuntu so because so far I mean okay iChiefs kuyomeli iyothenga ayikaka test yonke material ethengile last so yothenga another material futhi so then uzothini because more yothenga kuzomela uphinde release futhi other players
but the question is are the PSL teams denying Chiefs ukuthi thenga ama player
some of them they do if you check maybe ama former players la kuzokutshela ukuthi mina bengazi ukuthi ngiyosayina neKaizer Chiefs only to find ukuthi masifike airport or Tambo kwajiwa sengizithola sengisayina nabo bantu so such things they happen
so guys because I think maybe the issue now I think the issue comes with the management your team they do in mababoni player nabo baba interested but when it comes to buying I think they can negotiate maybe that's why they end up player selia kwezinye indawo or abafuna ukukhipha imali like they prefer prolonging the process yokuthi izithole player ukuthi like player lizosign kubo where else other team are fast when it comes to that like I also think ukuthi maybe it has to do with the management it's not about ukuthi njengamanje Chiefs inama player money yes they might have ama player money but the question was do you think ukuthi niyibona kanjani ukuthi lento ukuthi other teams awafuna ukuthengisela iKaizer Chiefs but if that is the case why do you think teams refuse ukuthi ithengisela iChiefs ama players
then it will be kune strategy saka Pitso ake wasebenzisa uPitso makazo rebuild iSundowns uPitso said it ukuthi I can never sell players to my rivals wami because of obviously ngiyaba strengthen remember iChiefs we dominate isikhathi eside and like the thing yokuthi iChiefs will buy a player if the player leaves the Chiefs and then I think it's only Judas Msiamedi kuphela ungazange athenga most ama player bewathi mangabe afika ku Chiefs baya ayakora biba wathenga yabo so sometimes the Chiefs use that strategy ukuthi izothenga player because of ifuna stabilize a certain team and then uPitso was adopta nayo then immediately abantu mangabe sebaqala ukuthi babe aware then that's when they started ukuthi I know we are not selling ama player to like a Kaizer Chiefs how many players asuka ku Golden Arrows aya ku Orlando Pirates rather than ukuthi aze ku Kaizer Chiefs and ukuthi they were linked to Kaizer Chiefs
yeah no kuyazwakala mfethu yeah but mina nje I still feel ukuthi iChiefs yazenza mfethu mayifuna iplayer nje ingalithenga it's not like a case yokuthi lamanye ama team abafuni yabo imanagement mina nje ngiyayiblame kakhulu
and yes blame management ngakuvumela lapho because of it doesn't make sense ukuthi I player liyothengwa mhlambe I team manager or whatever instead of a coach because of a coach angithi uyowazi ukuthi ngifuna ubani ngizomdlalisa kanje na kanje na kanje so I think ukuthi kube imanagement eyothenga ama player ayenze sense I think mina ukuthi I-scout se-Chiefs kumele sibe close to a coach and then akwazi to understand the philosophy ka coach ukuthi okay this is what I want
yeah.
Okay, so guys, I think we can't move away from the fact that the Kaizer Chiefs is the big team in South Africa. It's one of the big teams. So, maybe the reason other teams angafuni ukuthi athengise ama-players is because they feel like i-Kaizer Chiefs ayina growth. It just gives you the status ukuthi you were playing for Kaizer Chiefs, but because of the team was not doing well or the team is no longer where it used to be, so now when you're moving to Kaizer Chiefs, it's like there's nothing there, you know.
But because that it should be we player more than a team, because obviously if uthi wena ufuna i-10 million ngeplayer ukuthi whether liyodlala or liyokhula or kwenzakalani ngale, it says nothing for, like after lapho when you got your 10 million at the end of the day, the player is the one who should say which I mean I don't feel like going to Kaizer Chiefs. But when you listen to all these players kuma interviews they tell you which I wanted to go to play for Kaizer Chiefs, like the likes of Police and what they wanted to go udlaleli Kaizer Chiefs because of
why?
They want to be part of the brand, the name. Remember which history team, like I've played for Kaizer Chiefs. We're not going to ask which what did you achieve with Kaizer Chiefs, but whatever that Kaizer Chiefs achieved, now like I said, which you were part of the Kaizer Chiefs.
But do you know why players at Tibona they wanted to go to Kaizer Chiefs? I think this thing it goes back to Kaizer Chiefs a big door. You know, like they choose to approach a player before the agent. So they convince a player you should come this side, like whatever tactic they use with the player this the side. By the time a player sells sign already it kind of like Kaizer Chiefs, and then that's when the agent will like, no, this one is the best option for you rather than Kaizer Chiefs. Because I had a lot of players as well, but Kaizer Chiefs and it's because of Kaizer Chiefs keep the communication between the player and not like the communication is not between the agent and the team between the player and the team. Laba bangani they will go to abazali babo ukuthi afakele ubaba umntwana umoya just that bazombonga ukuthi you know what, Kaizer Chiefs is the best team for you.
True.
Yeah, I think it's that the strategy was
yeah, because if unga-check the story saka Pule Modi, same thing.
Yeah, the strategy is just not the best.
It's him including the player.
But okay, shooting are you trying to tell me ukuthi office le Kaizer Chiefs namanje alikakafundi ukuthi that strategy has seventh because of Pela they keep on doing the same thing and ukuthi I bring ama results?
No, I'm sign.
Yeah,
but yes, okay, it's fine. I'm sign, but I'm just asking which do you believe which bazolok bahamba same route that does not give results?
They know the power the player has. You know, if the player azothimina bengifuna ukuya Kaizer Chiefs but I ended up maybe go Orlando Pirates, they know the power the player has, because once that it's linked to maybe media, the social media, it will be buzzing. You know how fans can be. You know, you do remember even it was about the fans. It will be a big issue because they know the power that the player has.
I think mina singayithatha sise kuma fans more than like like the team as such, because I'm a fans mostly, more especially I'm a fans with Chiefs. You are signayo kakhulu. If you get notice a player actually liyo sign with Chiefs once yavela ku social media before Kaizer Chiefs imsign na nwazi ukuthi leyo player le angeke sign ne Kaizer Chiefs. Mostly ihlali kanjalo. The players all avelwa yilawa shoot already sebasign like ama players othi sign pre-contract ne Kaizer Chiefs and then okay, I know le Kaizer Chiefs play okay, but besides that no kuzothiwa iChiefs yo sign abani, iChiefs yo sign abani abo even nabo Pesitao they were linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, but abo bana balinka labo club ama fans ayenza le nto leyo babafake leza ikipa leza za Kaizer Chiefs then kube ngathi no Kaizer Chiefs has been speaking with the Pesitao only to find good that thing it did not happen.
Yeah,
but like serious guys, I don't think minuguthi ngathi ngifuna ukufry amaqanda mara ngiloku ngiyawa boiler all the time, ngiloku ngiyawa boil and mara ngifuna fried. It doesn't make sense ukuthi abo Kaizer Junior nabo Bobby they will continuously go into players baba convince bazi ukuthi labantu bane agent and lento ayisebenzi leyo. How many players have they managed to do that?
Hey, yeah, ne.
I think to answer the question, because the question was, do we think Utiama teams from PSL are refusing to sell players to Kaizer Chiefs? I think looking back from like the way Chiefs is an Anakonama player, but I stand to be corrected. If we can look at Sundowns mostly my Tengama player lately has been buying players from South America, you know, like from other continent in kanjalo. But when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, I remember most of the players are around from Africa. Like they always buy players from Africa. About knowledge, Musona, I can name others.
Yeah.
So I don't think teams are refusing to sell to Kaizer Chiefs. I just think that Kaizer Chiefs in player which you prefer those players from Africa. You know, it's not about other teams refusing to sell players to Kaizer Chiefs.
It can be both, Ghost, and also remember ukuthi it's very few players athengwe Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bewashine emathimini wawo, and then athe mawafika ku Kaizer Chiefs futhi afike ashine. Mostly we know Kaizer Chiefs ngoku developer. If they are not developing, they just get an unknown player. Then leyo unknown player leyo ikhani izofika ke like it's very few players, because if you check abo Renelwe, abo Simpiwe Shabalala, yes, they were doing great, but mabamthatha uShabalala beka injured at that particular time. Okay, but most player we Kaizer Chiefs, you can't tell ukuthi hayi lo muntu lona ubuya kuphi bekadlala ku Pirates ashisa, wabuya waza ngapha bekadlala ku Stellenbosch ashisa, wabuya. We don't have such. So they prefer ukuzilethela unknown nanani, and also I think ukuthi yes, as much as management in a problem, plus also the coaching staff said Kaizer Chiefs no.
But guys, can I ask you something? I'm going with maybe it has to do with the finance.
I know
no,
it can't.
No.
With finance now, I think it might also do with the finance. Because amanyama team angaba jealous too. Kaizer Chiefs it's financial stable. Like honestly, I think even if noma bangathi Kaizer Chiefs I thengisi player or I thengi player for the next 20 years, 30 years, they are sorted. Yeah, they are not paying. Yes, they are not paying.
Because I'm trying to back up, like looking back, it hasn't won anything, right?
Yes.
And lately, the strategy about 7 side is to sign players or a free agent.
But the most sponsored team, it's Kaizer Chiefs. I've once heard Uchomo complaining about sponsors to like other teams. Like Kaizer Chiefs, he has Mageta, he has sponsor. So there's no way Guti Malangane, Imaliangane all the time. It's just that they were not winning trophies. But each and every year, Kaizer Chiefs sponsor these people. Unfortunately, la poge ai emali ni khohle.
So it's the most sponsored team.
Yeah.
Sponsored by what? Sponsor you.
Abo Vodacom bakhona laphayana, abo Mid-Shield, like Powerade, like nje. Remember also ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs isuke ku Nike iye ku Kapa. It was because of iKapa ifake imali eningi. You see, so kunemali ayimali khona khohla.
Okay. So guys, do you think if this is true, teams are refusing to sell players, do you think when it comes to the South African football?
Yes.
If it's true, like
yes.
Do you think when it comes to the South African football?
Yes, because they must learn ukuyofuna ama player kwenye indawo. Mawi team, or let's say a company, you must have alternative ways ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza into ifunayo. Hayi makufeli day one so stagile. Yabo? That's why I don't understand ukuthi if bafuna iplayer leStellenbosch then lithathwa iSundowns, then abasakhona ukuthenga elinye iplayer. A big team like Kaizer Chiefs is disappointing. That's why my fans are complaining kanje. Yabo? And bakhuluma iqiniso mabathi Kaizer Chiefs email ama free agent. Yeah. When was the last time Chiefs ikhipha imali ebonakala ithenga quality player?
Okay, iliphi quality player anyway.
Iliphi quality player? Or policy quality player?
Or policy quality player kwiBhakaniya.
Not kwiBhakaniya. No, not kwiBhakaniya. From kuPulukwane by quality player.
But we say
udlalela ibafana akupulukwane sithi it shows ukuthi quality player.
How I'm saying this ukuthi uPolice angafika kuKaizer Chiefs ba misuse still.
It doesn't matter, but status sakhe sithi quality player.
Yeah.
My point is when was the last time Kaizer Chiefs ithenga quality player?
Like a star from another PSL team.
Not a star, a quality player.
Okay.
But players of input a positive.
Challenge leyo. Because as I said, kukhona iplayer edlalayo ku team yalo. But then malifika ku Kaizer Chiefs aliyenzi lento lebeliyenza from like ku team yalo.
Njengobani?
Okay, Ntshangase. Siphelele. One of the flop yabo number 10. That
For me bekangasi quality player
but
from
the boy
lapho
is
ngakhona.
good. Like bega good from team bekadlala kuyo bega good. But makafika kuKaizer Chiefs azange wafika wa deliver. So we're not blaming it. I'm not blaming this thing on Guma players, but I'm blaming it to management. Ukuthi okay. So uyamthatha umfaka kuKaizer Chiefs. Makafika kuKaizer Chiefs la kakajile. Akayenzi lento le okumele la kayenze. Ukabo. So uzodlala we've been complaining ngolilepo ukuthi Lilepo ya drift uyale uthi instruction ka coach. And if you looking at Lilepo if angangena phakathi adlale behind striker or adlale le boxing kakhulu, Kaizer Chiefs will get more goals. Yabo. So if abolilepo bangahamba bayodlala kwamanye ama team, mhlambe like angaba ngcono, angaba yile player leli wena umbona yilo leli mina lento engingayiboni. So maybe now Lilepo equality. Maybe.
Guys, I'm a quality player. I won't get I'm a quality player. They can't be signing players that are not quality. So according to the eye of whoever is buying players.
So you're crashing the statement when was the last time Kaizer Chiefs signed the quality player?
It's
So
like,
if
Miguel, is it Miguel?
Yes.
Yes, Lobamba Nai. What shall I take one for the team?
because umsebenzi wakhe defender.
Guys, manifuna ukubona ama quality player nibukele Orlando Pirates. Nizobona ama quality player kule team leyana and nizobona ama quality player awakudala nalawa aqede kwasayina manje. Even nalawa aqede kwasayina manje as we speak. Yeah, abomsendana. That's a quality player. Nizobona umehluko. Ninahamba nibukele PSL.
Okay, in that case.
So should be scared of the Pirates.
In that case, guys, this was the end. Actually, this is the end of our part 1. So viewers can just stay tuned for the part 2, right? This is Okubega in part 2. Make sure that you guys stay tuned.